I know. I kind of went like extra today. I just went full kawaii makeover. I haven't been wearing this wig at all, and for some reason, like, I was like, okay, blonde doesn't suit me, but I don't know, I really like this pastel vibe going on, and I think it's very fitting for the occasion. You already saw it in the title. So today I'm going to unbox the Kawaiibox, and I'm super excited. Also, I did my nails, and I'm so sad because I did them when I woke up this morning, and I was like, okay, should I do them like pastel blue like I usually do? And I really wanted to do it, but then I was like, okay, I always do this color and I grow tired of it like very quickly. Let's do something very sober and simple. And then I got ready and I went to pick my outfit, and when I like put the outfit together, I was like, oh my god, I should have painted him like pastel blue. It would have been perfect, but it's fine. I'm wearing this headband too that I really love, and I decided to put these two ribbons. It adds a little bit more cuteness. It's really hot and I'm dying here. I wanted to thank Kawaiibox so much, especially Hazel that I've been talking with the whole time. She's super sweet. You guys, if you guys didn't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll have the link below. You can follow me there. I literally just post my life and like cute outfits and cute pictures. If you've seen my story, I think it was a month ago, something like that, I came back from my vacation. I already had like 2 collabs planned, so the 2 brands, like Kawaiibox and another brand, sent me the articles, and when I arrived, I was so shocked to find my mailbox has been robbed. Like literally someone just broke it. Out of all the mailboxes in my building, they just targeted mine, so probably because there were like 2 packages inside, I don't know. But literally I was crushed, not even for the products themselves, but for the opportunity and like the fact that we had all this thing organized and planned, and it was like for the giveaway, so I was so sad. I don't know if I mentioned it, but we're hosting a giveaway with the Kawaiibox and I'm super excited. You guys don't even know, it's like a dream come true. When I first started my kawaii journey, Kawaiibox was like you know, this iconic thing that you have. Like for me it was Venice Angelic, Mika and Mandarin, Kawaiibox. Like, so yeah, I was really obsessed. At the time I couldn't afford a subscription, so I was like always checking out unboxings and like their page, and it was just like a dreamland. Thank you guys so much for partnering with me for this video. So I'm going to show you what's inside. I'll leave the links in the description as well if you want to just like go ahead and subscribe to their monthly subscription. It's adorable. Yesterday I was like, oh my god, I want to open it, and then I was like, no. I was just fighting myself. It was so funny. Like my mom was like, just open it if you can't like wait. I was like a kid, you know. Okay, so let's open it. I'm going to film another part where I show you an up close like details and stuff, so don't worry. So we're just going to open it. I opened the thing, like the tape with the scissors, and now we're just going to open it like this. That is so cute. Okay, just a warning, this video is gonna be a lot of, oh, this is so cute. I love their art. Like the whole aesthetic is so adorable. It's very like dreamy, you know. Kawaii summertime. That's so cute. So this is the box for June. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, and they have creators at the back. Even the paper is adorable. Okay, let's start. Oh my god. The first thing I see, and I really want to like unpack it because this is adorable. What is this? This is so cute. Oh, I should have maybe kept the little thing, because I think they said like what's inside the box. It's okay. Let's open it. Let's start with this. This is so cute. Oh my god, so cute. It's so soft. It's like a keychain or something. Oh my god, I definitely want to put it somewhere. I don't know where yet, but I think you can collect them because there's a panda one too. And the fact that I got the pink bunny, I'm so happy. Oh, it's so squishy. It's like a macaron. You guys didn't see, like, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, my allergies are flaring again. I'm so sorry if you don't really like this kind of stuff. I'm trying to keep my hands down, but since I'm showing you guys, it's very difficult. I can't really control it. Then I don't know what's going on with my phone or laptop, but they keep erasing half of my videos, so there's a whole half footage missing there. So I decided to just keep going with the audio. I hope you don't mind. Okay, next is this little basket. Oh my god, it's like a shopping cart, like a shopping basket. Oh my god, this is so cute. I've seen it somewhere and I was like, oh my god, this is so adorable. I would love to have one for like my night table or like my desk. And it's curvy and I can't help but think about this creator. She's French. I can't even remember her alias, but I'll definitely put it somewhere here because she's a big fan of Kirby. Okay, I'm making a big mess in my room, but that's fine. Then we have, oh yeah, my favorites. Actually maybe not my favorites, but like I really love these. I remember when I was in my first ever like JCon, like convention, you know, I found him I think on Instagram or Discord, something like that. I was like, yeah, are you going there? And he was like, yeah. And I told him, well, let's meet, you know, and I spent the whole day with him, I remember. It was nice though, like he was very nice and we had a lot of fun. And I remember I got one like this and it was pink and we just shared one because it was like so expensive in the convention. And since then I've been like always getting the pink one because like so nostalgic and it's really good. I never tasted this one, so I'll definitely have it later. It's like lemon flavor, which is perfect for June, like that's Kuromi. Oh my god, what's this though? Oh, it's like notepad. Is it a notepad? Yeah. That's so cute. I ran out of my notepads. I had cute ones by an artist. It was Chiban, yeah. And I ran out of them. It's like a sleepy kind of theme. I'll show you up close, but this is so cute. I'm going to stick this everywhere. Okay, next. Oh my god. Okay, so no way. That's a lunchbox. I love it. It's like summer themed. It's adorable. Oh my god. I love how all of these are like very summer themed. Like even the Kuromi one is like dreamy, like sleepover, you know, like summer sleepover, I guess. It's so cute. And this one is just like, I think it's their original art, if I'm not mistaken. So cute. And just, oh my god, I love the detail. She's wearing like a watermelon kind of suit. I'll definitely pack these next time I go to the beach or something. Okay, oh my god, I think it's the last item, you guys. We've been through it so quickly. Oh my god, I know what it is. Okay, so I have one like this, but it's very much not cute. It's literally like I put it to like go to the beach and I put my phone inside and I can like take pictures underwater. So I think this one is not for going underwater, but like you can keep your phone inside when you go to the beach. So it's like protected and you don't have to worry about sand or something like that. Open it like this. That's so cute. It's like little bears. When I'm at the beach, I always carry like one bag and then I don't have anything else. You know, I carry everything in my hands, like my phone and stuff. So that's gonna be very handy. So yeah, that was everything in the box for June. It's so cute. I love the work they put in to make every box like unique, and like every month, every season is like so fitting. So I'm just going to take a break, maybe have lunch, and then I'll be back to tell you about the giveaway if you want to enter it. I'm so excited. I'm back. As you can see, some things have changed. It's because it's not the same day. I had to stop filming the other day because I was feeling sick. I'm wearing the same outfit for the sake of like not changing the video completely, so I still have the same outfit, but it's another day. I just wanted to pop up very quick to tell you that you can enter the giveaway by clicking the link in the description. I will also leave the link to Kawaiibox website, so you can apply and like subscribe for a box of your own, and you will receive this cute adorable box at your door, and it's like full of kawaii stuff from the season. I wanted to thank them so much again for partnering with me for this video, and also for offering you guys a giveaway. It's amazing. Like, I really wanted to thank you for the 5k, and I thought a giveaway would be appropriate. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye!